Introducing chain collated decking clips, your ultimate fastening solution. Achieve precision and efficiency with Eva-Last's chain collated decking clip system, a universal hidden deck fastener built to streamline your decking projects. Each clip is preloaded with screws, and when used with the chain hand tool, installation becomes faster, easier, and highly accurate. Engineered for versatility, the chain collated decking clip works seamlessly with decking boards of varying groove heights. These stainless steel clips are capped with a long-lasting polymer coating to further promote the corrosion resistance of the system. The innovative engineering of the collated clip creates a cost-efficient fastening system with reliable integrity, and it's suitable for either metal or timber substructure applications. Designed with installers in mind, the chain hand tool maximizes installation speed and accuracy with its built-in depth control. What's great is its ergonomic design, adaptable for both left and right-handed users. It fits a wide range of board sizes and features effortless clip collation loading. How it works. Step 1. Set tool height. Begin by adjusting the hand tool height to fit your decking board. Each kit includes height adjusters labeled for compatibility with different board sizes. You'll notice the tool comes standard with C6 compatibility, so there's no need to add an adjuster for this requirement. Please refer to the box insert to select the correct adjuster for the board you're using. For Eva-Last Infinity I-Series decking, we'll use the C9 adjuster. Step 2. Load the collated clips. Next, load the collated clip magazine into the tool's guide slot by lining up the rounded spring side of the clip with the channel of the tool. Then slide the strip to the end of the tool, securing it into place. Each magazine includes 15 preloaded clips, designed for use on wood and metal substructures. Step 3. Set drill torque and joist location pin. Set your drill to 30% of its maximum. Use the provided Colllated Torx 15-bit to ensure precise fastening. Then set the joist location pin for consistent clip placement across all joists. Please note that when dealing with immovable obstructions at the start and end of the decking run, consider slightly offsetting your first and last joists to accommodate the tool's head and tail. Be mindful of avoiding excessive overhang of the deck board end over the last joist. For detailed guidance on board overhang, please consult our decking installation guides. Step 4. Fasten clips in place. With everything ready, place the hand tool over the joist, aligning it with the board groove to ensure the board groove locators are in the correct position. Hold the tool steady and fasten the clip. Once secured, pivot the tool towards you to tear the clip away from the remaining collation. It's advisable to double back and secure the last clip on the opposing end before continuing your run. When it's time to fix the next clip, simply slide the collation forward and repeat the process. The final clip position is in a floating state, allowing it to be tightened to the desired position. This provides sufficient tension to lever the next board into place, eliminating the need to double back and retighten any clip screws. Step 5. Install next board. To install the next board, simply line up the boards, placing the board on the joist, leveraging it under the spring of the first clip and clipping it into place. The gap and alignment will be perfectly set. Repeat these steps as you move down the joist. Chain collated deck clips come in various pack configurations to suit different installations. Here's what you get in each pack. The 150 series pack comes with 10 strips of 15 clips, all preloaded screws covering approximately 6 to 7 square meters or 64 to 75 square feet, ideal for smaller projects. For larger installations, the 900 series bulk pack, which is a sleeve of 6 boxes of 150 clips and includes 60 strips of 15 clips preloaded and ready to go. With coverage for up to 36 to 42 square meters or 387 to 452 square feet, this option caters for bigger projects. With a durable stainless steel construction and a protective polymer coating, the chain collated decking clip system is built to ensure easier, faster, and cost-efficient deck installations that last. For more information, visit our website, download the instructions, or contact a representative today. www.Eva-Last.com